সন্ধিয়া প্ৰতিবাদী অৱস্থান ধৰ্মঘট কাৰ্যসূচী ৰূপায়ণ কৰিছিলো। সেই কাৰ্যসূচীটো আমাৰ তিনিটা মূলত দাবী আছিলে। এটা আছিলে যে সমগ্ৰ বিটিএডি অঞ্চলত যি ক্ৰুৱেল ইভিকশ্যন ইজ গোয়িং অন আৰু এই ইভিকশ্যন প্ৰচেছটো বন্ধ কৰাৰ কাৰণে ইতিমধ্যে আমি আজি ইমান প্ৰখৰ ৰদতো ইয়াত আহিছো, হয় না নাই? গতিকে আমাৰ এটা অন্যতম দাবী আছে ইভিকশ্যন, আৰু অন্যতম দাবী এটা হৈছে যে সমাগত কেইদিনমান পূৰ্বে ইলেকশ্যন কমিশ্যন অফ ইণ্ডিয়া এটা খচৰা প্ৰকাশ কৰিছে, যি খচৰাটো আচলতে এটা আৰ্বিট্ৰেৰী খচৰা বুলি আমি ক'ব খোজো। আৰু সেই খচৰাটো বন্ধৰ দাবীত ইতিমধ্যে এগৰাকী বিশিষ্ট শিক্ষাবিদ আমাৰ চিন্তক হীৰেণ গোহাঁই ছাৰ ইতিমধ্যে আমাক এটা তেখেতে মানে কেছ কৰিছে সুপ্ৰিম কোৰ্টত। তথাপি আমি দুটা মেমৰেণ্ডাম, আমাৰ এটা হৈছে ইভিকশ্যন আৰু এটা হৈছে আমাৰ ডেলিমিটেশ্যন এগেইনষ্ট। গতিকে ডেলিমিটেশ্যন কমিশ্যনৰ এগেইনষ্টত আমাৰ এটা মেমৰেণ্ডাম টু দি অনাৰেবল চিফ ইলেকশ্যন কমিশ্যনাৰ, ইলেকশ্যন কমিশ্যন অফ ইণ্ডিয়া, নিৰ্বাচন সদন অশোকা ৰোড, নিউ দিল্লী। Subject representation of on behalf of all BTC minority students union against the delimitation exercise in the state of Assam carried out by the Election Commission of India. Honorable sir, the undersigned wishes to put forth pertinent issues with regard to the delimitation exercise of the legislative and parliamentary constituency in the state of Assam. Number one, the delimitation process was deferred in the state of Assam by notification 8/2/2008 and was resumed by order 28/02/2020. Thereafter, by another notification dated 20, a delimitation commission was erroneously formed under the already exhausted provisions of Delimitation Act 2002 to conduct the exercise on the basis of 2001 census figures, which was the main cause of option in 2008. Number two, both the aforesaid notification being notification dated 2020, the central government, without filing any reply in the Honorable Supreme Court for almost a year, the central government, realizing its error, removed the requirements of northeastern state from the earlier notification from Dean of the Delimitation Commission. That press release 2020 has been issued Honorable Election Commission of India that decided to initiate delimitation exercise of Assembly of Parliamentary Constituencies. The aforesaid press release further states that this exercise of delimitation would be conducted on the basis of figures in 2001 decennial census. Number four, that the aforesaid press release was challenged. The central government sought time on 10/2/2020 filing reply on the aforesaid writ petition. It may be mentioned that Honorable Commission has proceeded that reply by the central government of India, Honorable Supreme Court of India. Number five, the earlier delimitation exercise was stayed pursuant to resume subsequently the cases were disposed of the infractions in light of determinant of delimitation process in the state of Assam pursuant to the aforesaid notification. The retraction of the aforesaid 2008 order delimitation has brought the situation back it were before 2008. Number six, earlier process of delimitation in Assam had evoked strong opposition from the concerned state, with the various organizations strongly opposing the delimitation exercise, organization of branch protest, picketing, blockades like that. The issues of regard to delimitation of constituency in the state of Assam are very serious. That ongoing delimitation exercise shall be postponed till such time in National Register of Citizens updated in the state of Assam. The state government was viewed that delimitation process should be kept abeyance and hard requested for the maintenance of the status quo to objections on the process of delimitation of assembly and parliamentary constituencies. Number eight, that the aforesaid reasons therefore decision to conduct a fresh delimitation of assembly and parliamentary constituencies in the Assam should be revised as being premature and having not taken into account the totality of facts and the circumstances prevailing in the state of Assam. Number nine, NRC, National Register of Citizens, is being prepared on the basis of Section C A of Citizenship Act 1955. So, Historical Assam Accord 1985, Division Bench of Honorable Supreme Court judgment dated 2014 referred the issue of constitutional validity of the Section 6A 1955. It also relevant to mention that the Division Bench Citizenship Act 1955 in the state of Assam to the Constitution Bench, both the issues in respect of citizenship in Assam are pending for disposal or the Constitution Bench of Honorable Supreme Court of India. Number 10, while the constitutional validity of the Citizenship Act 2019 remains pending before the Honorable Supreme Court of India, and when it is enacted has already led to such wide-scale protest, to giving rise to more apprehension in the mind of people, thereby leading to disruption of people order which remains triangle in the state. Number 11, that the very purpose of the delimitation exercise is to alter the boundaries of the respective constituencies as per the latest census figures, so to reflect the equal and proportionate representation. While the reasons for the determinant on delimitation exercise in the state of Assam remain till date, reliance upon figures from the 2001 census would result in the article delimitation. This apart from the fact that such figures from the 2001 census would all probability fail to inspire public confidence and would thus make the entire exercise a futile attempt to wasting public money and state machinery. It would also be pertinent to note that while delimitation was deferred in the year 2008 in 4 states of Northeast, but today only Assam is chosen for delimitation for no reason. Singling out Assam is the manner is highly arbitrary and unjustified. Therefore, in the light of the aforesaid, delimitation exercise in the state of Assam may kindly be deferred until the Supreme Court of India decides the aforesaid pending cases. NRC exercise is completed in the state of Assam. State of is relieved from disturbed area by the competent authority. Sincerely, Mohammad Asraful Islam Sheikh, President, ABMSU, Tyson Hussain, and Abu Zubair Mandal, General Secretary, Mohidul Islam, Working President. So now I am requesting to one another vital and most important demands of the eviction, which is most important in present scenario. On the basis to stop the eviction, entire BTID region